Welcome to this course, where you'll learn about implementing vector search practices with relational databases, with a focus on using PostgreSQL. Salaries for data professionals with vector database skills remain strong, with job sites such as TechTarget, CIO, and others reporting that AI-focused roles, including generative AI for machine learning engineering, NLP engineers, data engineers, AI engineers, and others, with starting salaries of $80,000 annually, and some roles with salaries up of $180,000 annually. This course is the third course in the 4-course IBM Vector Database Fundamentals program, a focused program developed for current and aspiring AI professionals and others who want to know how to use vector search with relational databases. This short course is designed to maximize your learning while making the best use of your time. You can complete this course in about 4 hours. If you have prerequisite knowledge of relational databases, JavaScript, Python, or both languages, and are ready to gain the knowledge and skills needed to perform vector data searches in conjunction with relational databases, this course is right for you. To complete this course, you'll need access to a computer capable of running modern web browsers and a reliable internet connection. To maximize the value of your course experience, view the instructional videos and practice your skills with hands-on experience using a virtual lab environment. You can assess your knowledge using practice quizzes and prove your knowledge to others by passing the graded quiz. This course also includes a glossary and a helpful cheat sheet for using when you apply these new skills after the course. Be sure to take advantage of the course discussion forum to connect with other learners and get help and support. When you complete this course, you will be able to describe the principles of modeling vector data in relational databases, implement indexing techniques for vector search optimization, and use PostgreSQL to store, retrieve, and query vectors efficiently. We are thrilled to accompany you on this learning journey. Let's get started.